Locate the instructor PC and check that it's on. The computer will be toward the front of the classroom, either behind the TV screen or mounted on the wall next to the control panel. You can switch between display sources, for example, from the control panel display to the computer display. Rooms with a TV have a remote attached to the side of the screen. Use the source button to switch the display source. In classrooms with a projector, use the remote's HDMI button to change the display source. Sign into the computer with your campus credentials. Note that most classroom computers default to the ACAD domain, so you may need to add an AD// in front of your username to log into the faculty staff domain. After you've signed in, you can open a web browser or app to access the content that you want to broadcast on the screen. You can also connect an external device to the computer if you would prefer to share content that way. For more information on using a flash drive to share content, please refer to the video linked in the notes below. At the end of class, remember to sign out of any applications, then sign out of the computer. Please leave the computer on as a courtesy to the next class.